Freight Train Heart is Australian singer Jimmy Barnes' 1987 studio album that featured the song Driving Wheels. The hero of the music video that went with that song was a typical Kenworth SAR of the era. Great song, beautiful truck, perfect inspiration for the modern machine that recalls that golden era. The truck leading us to Malex Lin Hall's Cromwell yard is the latest in a line of Heritage Kenworth models that pays homage to the success of generations past in a classic but present style that will likely be revered well into the future. Malex Lin Hall's W900SAR Legend, or Legend SAR as they're commonly known, named Freight Train Heart, is one of 27 confirmed for New Zealand and just one of 4 that's destined to call the South Island home. Operated by Ricky and Ashley Rogers, Malex Lin Hall quietly entered the scene towards the end of 2022 and carries a familial, generational link that's fully encapsulated in those 4 green letters. Ashley is the daughter of well-known South Island transport operators Barbara and Ross Smiley Millard, who owned and operated Summerland Transport for just under 30 years. So the green in the sign writing is in honour of them and the family business around which Ashley and her sister Gervase were raised, and which also gave Ricky his start in the industry. Ricky and Ashley's girls, Maisie, Lexi and Ellie, were the inspiration for the name Malex. 9, 5 and 3.5 years old they may be, but they're as much about this company as their parents are, past, present and future. The SAR was originally meant to go into the Summerland fleet, but with Malex it's ideally placed in the custodianship of driver Craig Rocket Little, another name that will be instantly familiar to those in the South Island scene. He's a good mate of Ricky's from way back, and someone who's done it all. He's a good man to have when there's 2 of you on a mission, Ricky says with a smile. Our first meeting with Rocket was an early morning start in Christchurch, where he loaded his 14-metre Demet quad semi with a couple of 20-foot containers bound for Wanaka. Loaded inside one of the containers was a septic tank for the Malex yard in Cromwell, where Rocket would load up some defunct cars for his return trip back to Christchurch. Really, it's those loads that are ugly or exciting. We'll give it a go. That side of things is good fun, and the boys like it too. They like the variety we get, Ricky says. Originally ordered with a 36-inch sleeper, once offered to Malex, Ricky and Rocket changed the Legend SAR to the 50-inch option. When you add the fridge, microwave and TV and the level of finish, it just made sense. We sleep in our trucks all the time, that's why we got it with all the fittings, so I can literally live in it, says Rocket. The duo decided on the slimmer Kent-weld front bumper and to also ditch the extended sleeper cab side skirts, which would definitely have had something to do with the 50 inches near 6 metre wheelbase and the need to accommodate a trailer, but it also does wonders to enhance the period look. And that look is cleaned up even further with the straight cut 7-inch stacks and low air cleaners. These came with the 7-inch pipes. That's the focal point when you're looking at it straight on. I wanted them to stand out, said Rocket. The overall look is subtle but eye-catching, and regardless of whether it's the 14-metre quad semi or the 5-axle B-train hooked up, it's like a picture straight from the annals of great truck combinations. Enter the traditional B-Series cab with its flat upright windscreen through its traditional style doors, and step back in time. You'll find there's no hint of a wrap to speak of, just a traditional flat dash layout, a full suite of 19 heritage style handmade gauges with white faces and chrome bezels, a panel of old style backlit toggle switches, and a whole heap of nostalgia. The interior finish for Freight Train Heart is Kenworth's parchment diamond pleat vinyl trim, which contrasts nicely with the exterior as well. Now looking to the 50-inch Aero 1 modular sleeper, it offers plenty of space for a night in the cab and includes a vertically integrated fridge, clothes space, TV, microwave and plenty of space for bags and other bits and pieces. And Rocket reckons the bunk offers a great night's sleep, though a cab heater is on the cards for those extra cold southern nights. Is it perfect? Depends on who you ask. Sure, some of the switch placement is a little odd and there's no storage unless you toss your stuff on the bunk. But the big one for Rocket, there's no central locking. But it does have modern amenities like LED headlights and a Bluetooth stereo. And airlift windows make a comeback. Epic. We next catch up with Rocket at Metalcraft Roofing in Hornby, taking on a load of steel purlins bound for Cromwell. The loading process naturally takes much longer than a couple of containers or some knackered cars, but it's done with exceptional precision and attention to detail. Rocket conducts a consistent, methodical, incredibly smooth process when it comes to loading, an inspiring show for those watching on. Loaded and back on the road, the most challenging section of the run back through to Cromwell is probably State Highway 79 from Geraldine into Fairley. Sure, the Lindis Pass might be more of a climb, but it's flowing and graded for easy progress, whereas State Highway 79 is half an hour of undulating, tight, twisting ups and downs that require concentration and much shifting of gears. The first thing we notice is that although you can feel the push of the semi with the purlins on, the Legend SAR is incredibly stable and rides amazingly well. It truly is smooth, with the cab and sleeper mounted to a singular long subframe on a long chassis. A consequence of the longer wheelbase would seem to be a wider turning circle, but through the tight turns on the run home, Rocket easily keeps the combination within the extremes of the white lines. The cab is quiet as well, with the meter peaking at 73 decibels on cruise, about on par with the average Aero, and then climbing to 76 decibels when the X15 clears its throat. It's working a bit harder here today than yesterday going through here, Rocket comments. I find I need to keep this Cummins at about 1500 to 1600 RPM to get max boost, compared to the others that I've driven. With this he pushes past the X15's max torque of 2508 Nm, 1850 pound-foot at 1200 RPM and keeps the revs up while climbing to tap into the 458 kilowatts, 615 horsepower. We're doing 40 kilometers per hour at 1500 through the twisty climbs of Mount Michael before we drop down into that wee hamlet of Fairley. The awesome thing about starting a business from the ground up is that you can build exactly what you want, a business that's uniquely yours. Yes, that comes with its challenges, but with the right attitudes, carried by a generational current and the right people, that makes it so much easier. And it's a challenge that Ricky clearly loves. He's tireless, full of enthusiasm. Maybe it's less of a challenge and more of an adventure that Ashley keeps in line and humming smoothly behind the scenes. And the Malex girls, they also clearly have it in their blood. We're told a ride in one of the trucks is always a fun time for them too. And then there's Rocket and Freight Train Hard, two incredible ambassadors for this young company. Yes, it's a very limited and very special rig, but like any other truck, it's made to work. And who wouldn't want to work at W900SAR Legend? Fair to say, Rocket and the SAR make quite the duo. Family, friends, hard work and cool trucks. It's all there at Malex Lin Hall. To read the full story on the new Legend 900SAR Kenworth from Malex of Cromwell, then catch a copy of the combined December 2024, January 25 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine. Or subscribe to our digital platform now and view the entire feature there. See the links below. Also remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons right now to be notified of fresh new content as we upload it for you. And from all of us here at New Zealand Trucking Media, we would like to take this opportunity to wish you all the best for the festive season and hope that you get to enjoy some quality time with family and friends. Take care out there, travel safe, and catch you all in the new year.